Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you a very simple makeup look. You can use whatever you have, so you don't have to use the same things I have. If you want to use drugstore or high-end products, then that's your choice. Doesn't matter to me. I'm using both. Some high-end and some drugstore. So just my favorite things that I have right now. So I'm going to start with my primer. I just said it's not my favorite. It's this one. By Hard Candy. It's very cooling, but I mean, it's kind of the same as a glue stick, so I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that. Roll it up. Okay, next I'm going to mix two foundations together just because I don't have a perfect color foundation right now. Makeup. So I'm using this by Urban Decay, and my second one is this one, my Maybelline Matte and Poreless. And I'm just using my fingers because my brushes are dirty, so just for this one thing. So now I'm going to use my favorite concealer, the Almay Clear Complexion Concealer under here, and I'm going to use it down the center of the face as well, just to brighten. If you have a brush, please use it. This is taking a long time. Okay, now I'm going to contour. Using this, my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, of course. Always, it's my favorite. Now, excuse me. So for a blush, you want to use a more neutral or cool tone blush, especially if you're my skin type, because I'm neutral. So if you're warm tone skin, then you can use a warmer blush, but it's not really normal or natural to have like a warm flush if you're a neutral skin tone. So I'm going to use this one from Nyx. It's called Amber, and I'm just going to put that right above, right there. So now I'm going to use my highlight from Benefit, and it comes with a cute little brush, which I like. we're not gonna be too strong with our highlight because that's not natural, but it's okay to have like a little glow going on. Center of the nose, and then I'm gonna use that to finish my eyes later, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. So I'm gonna use this spoolie brush just to brush up the hair. I'm showing you this eyebrow because it's my favorite eyebrow. It always looks good, and this one it's a reject. And we're going to take our pencil. This is from Anabelle. So I'm gonna get in here. We're gonna line first just the inside of the eyebrow and underneath. So two lines. Like that. And then a little bit at the front. So don't fill it in, just the outside 2 lines. And then you can see I'm missing like a little part here. So I'm gonna fill that in, and I'm gonna make like this kind of a shape. So kind of two lines going this way. So you can fill this part in a little bit more. You want it to be lighter at the front and darker at the back, so that's okay. So it looks kind of harsh. I don't like to have hard eyebrows like this, but I'm gonna show you how I make it look softer and more natural. My secrets. Take this, and you want to brush down and then brush up, and use this to soften the lines that you drew. Then I'm going to use the brow Stylist from L'Oreal. Yes, it's clear, just to lift my brows, lift them up. Like this. And then I just go, I just touch the top. Okay. So I'm gonna try again to show you my natural makeup look. The baby woke up, he needed my attention, so I just thought that I'd try again tomorrow. I already did my face how I did it yesterday, so now I'm gonna show you the rest of the makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to use this primer for my eyelid. And then I'm going to set it with my Fit Me powder. This I actually used under my eyes. I remembered to get it this time before nap time. You can use like a cool tone brown. This is just to contour your eye and give it some life. And I'm only gonna put this in the crease. If you're like me and you have hooded eyes, this is not your crease. Like this line is not your crease. You're gonna go above that. So here, you can feel there's a bone there. So just go underneath the bone. Boom. That's your crease for hooded girls, hooded eyes. And my brush just fits in there perfectly, so. So you can see it's not a lot of makeup, but it makes a difference. See? So you can build up the color to look how you want it to look. If you want it darker or lighter, it's up to you. This is how I like it. And now I'm going to use my highlighter again. This time I'm going to use a brush just to touch my brow bone and my inner corner. Alright, and then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is not my favorite mascara. I tried it because a lot of people were saying good things about it, but I think it's more if you have like no eyelashes or your eyelashes are pointed down, then this will lift them or curl them up. My lashes, they already do that, so it's not really for length, but more for, I would say, volume. Yep. The last step is lipstick. I like to use a nude or a nude pink. This is from Wet n Wild. It's really messy. Like, don't put this in your purse. It's gonna be messy. And it's called Bare It All. So that's it. So you know that I'm wearing makeup, but it looks more natural than a lot of color. So it's all neutral tones and not too fancy of an application. So you can use this for every day, or if you just you want to look good, but you don't want to work too hard at it. That's normally me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed to me so far, and for those who want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.